Hello and welcome back to Brochure's Adventures. My name is Derek Brochure, and today I have a little bit of a divergent video about travel. This is about the Tropicfeel Travel Shoes, or the ultimate travel shoes as they claimed. So I actually just received these shoes today. It's December 27th, and I backed about 4 months ago, back in September. And they were funded on June 14th, I believe, of this year. So it's been quite a bumpy ride to get these. The shipping process has been very slow, and they've been very hard to contact actually, but they're here now. Before I start the unboxing, I'm actually going to tell you a little bit about the company. They're from Barcelona, Spain. I believe the shoes came from Hong Kong. That's what it said in the shipping stuff online, which means that they were most likely made in China. The pros that they state on their website about these shoes is that they're going to be the ultimate shoes for travel. They're going to replace your aqua shoes, your sneakers, your technical like hiking shoes, I guess. They're made of synthetic materials that are supposed to be anti-odor, breathable. They are supposed to be able to be machine washed very easily. So they're supposed to be shoes that you can just take anywhere and scrub them off at the end, no matter how much dirt, water, anything that you get on them, and they'll be good to go. So when I purchased these from their Indiegogo, they were $69, which they claim is 42% off of their original $119 sale price, which will be the MSRP for whenever they get their real store going. All told, with taxes, it came out to be $74, which isn't too bad for a pair of shoes that's claiming what it's claiming. As of today, they have been funded $3.7 million toward this product, so you'll probably be seeing these in stores and stuff soon enough, or at least online. Alright, so let's just get into it. The box came a little bit damaged, as you can see right here in the corner. I'm not really one to care so much about the packaging. I normally use the shoe boxes either to store stuff, or I just throw them away or use them as packing materials for other things. So I'm just going to open it up. The shoe is called the Monsoon. I got them in black and I got them in EU 41s. So let's open this up here. First we've got a little bit of a card here. It's actually a postcard. It says, "The Tropicfeel team sends you greetings from Barcelona." It says you can send this back to them and do some Instagram stuff for a chance to win 100 euros a month. That's good in their online store. Okay, I'm just going to throw that to the side. I probably won't do that. Then you've just got normal tissue paper here and the shoes themselves. I'll just get rid of the box to the side. All right. These are the shoes. I'll get you a better look there, right here like this. They've got the white sole. They've got this little green elastic heel thing here so that you can put them on without socks and actually run around in them, and they stay on your feet, which is a nice addition, I think. And everything feels really light and really breathable. All right, just had to run to get my little kitchen scale here. And actually, before I do that, I've got to take out the normal cardboard inserts here to keep the shoe looking good. So it looks like they come in at about a pound. That is 452 grams on my scale, 453 as it's going through. These shoes actually come with 2 sets of laces. They come with these green sort of elastic laces, which I'll probably keep in because you don't have to tie them. And they fit to your feet pretty well, I would think, with this back heel holder. But they do give you some black laces as well if you want to switch out the color. You can use any laces in this like any standard shoe. So it's telling about the material that is supposed to keep my feet fresh even without socks. They have fluorine-free durable water repellent called Curb. And then this is the instructions to tie a tropic cluster. There's a little knot there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little knot that they're showing you how to tie here. And then it features lightweight, quick drying, breathable, flexible to you, machine washable, with no softener, and minimizes odor. So the feel of these shoes, I mean, for something that they're going to charge $119 for, I don't know if it feels $119. It definitely feels like something you could buy in the 50s or 60s. A rubber outsole, which is great. See the footbed here you can take out. Very breathable, very mesh-like. The shoe is supposed to be completely machine washable. We'll have to see about that, obviously. The top mesh seems all right. I've definitely seen better in Nike or Adidas or New Balance and stuff like that. Just the feel of it is a little bit rough. All in all, everything feels fine. They actually do look like a really good pair of shoes. I hope they can live up to what they're saying they can, because I'm going to be going to Thailand and India, Nepal, and I'll pack these in my bag to give them a good test, but I'm just gonna go wear them around the house now. As I'm wearing the Tropicfeels around right now in the house, they fit pretty well. They're actually really snug. They fit true to size. And I do like the heel thing, the little elastic band that keeps your heel in. It definitely makes it feel like your foot isn't going to slip, which when you're running around rocks and stuff like that, or if you're going into the water on the beach or anything like that as well, they're not going to slip off. They're not going to fly into the ocean or fly off of you if you're doing bungee jumping. The style is very sports casual, which is good because they will look like pretty much any other shoe that you'll find out there, Nikes, Adidas, New Balance, so they'll fit in very well. Also, they actually have a pretty good silhouette. I like the way they look. So my first impressions on these shoes are that they seem good, but I'm pretty skeptical of their durability actually, because if they're supposed to be replacing technical sneakers, stuff you're gonna be doing treks and hikes and stuff like that in, I doubt they'll be durable enough to sustain that for a long period of time. I mean, the mesh is very thin, it feels like. I like the feel of them, but I think they're basically going to be used mostly by me for casual stuff, going to the beach, walking around hostels, walking out in the rain even, but I don't know if these are going to be a hiking shoe for me. But that's to be seen as well. So do I think you should get these shoes? I think you should probably check them out and maybe wait for some more people to review them. I'll probably be making another video after a few weeks or months of taking these to Thailand, so stay tuned for that. I will say though, if you do order them, expect the wait time to be significant. Like I said, I ordered these back in September, and they said their shipping date would be sometime in late November, early December. They did ship by somewhere in early December, I believe, but they got stuck from customs in Chicago for like almost 20 days. So I don't exactly know what to say about that, if that's just a one-off thing, but they do have an Instagram and stuff like that where I've been looking, and a lot of people have been saying that they've had trouble getting them on time as well. So just watch out for that. And again, thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video or want to see more about travel around the world, click the like and subscribe below. There's going to be a few videos as well that you can check out, probably right here, right now. And face your fears and say yes to adventure.